everyone, my name is Trista and I'm a mess. Yeah, so how do I explain this? I know a lot of you guys probably watch a lot of YouTube videos, and you've noticed, if you've watched mine, I started off sitting in front of my bed and then all of a sudden I got like a little closer to this door and now I'm like stuck to this corner because my room is a complete disaster. I genuinely wanted to make this video because, I don't know, I just really love like organizational videos and cleaning videos, and I need to organize my life. I need to organize my room. They say if you don't have a clean room, your mind is just like all over the place. Exactly how I feel right now. Like, I cannot function in this room, and I want to take you guys along with me. I know I'm hyping it up like,
oh my god, you guys are probably like, Trista, it's not even that bad.
But trust me, y'all,
it's horrible.
it might be the worst it's ever been. So are you guys ready to see my room? I'm so excited to show you guys my beautiful room tour. It's gonna be like literally the best thing you've ever seen. So let's get started. Now let's go into the living room. My shoe collection. I don't have words. How am I living in this? Like, I was totally okay with it, like, today. Like, I woke up and I was like, nice. Like, walking past all of my clothes. I'm like stepping over it like a normal day. So I'm gonna get started with the kitchen first and get all the supplies I need. And we're gonna do this step by step. It's gonna take so long, but it's gonna be worth it when we're organized. And I'm going to do my whole closet, and I'm gonna show you guys some tips on the way when I figure it out, because I don't really know what I'm doing. Let's go to Walmart. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Are we at Walmart? Okay, no, we're not. Okay, let's go. I got all my stuff. I got my vacuum cleaner, and then I also got the Swiffer. This is like
Cleaning hole.
Then I got this heavy duty Swiffer wet and some hangers. I'm so excited to vacuum, you have no idea. This has been a long time coming, and it's so cute and small, it's perfect. Woo! Swiffer now. Okay guys, quick disclaimer, it's getting dark already because it gets dark at like 2 p.m. now. My box light cracked in the summer, so I still haven't gotten a new one. So we're gonna have some wonky lighting, so I'm just letting you know ahead of time that the lighting's gonna be bad. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get to cleaning. I almost stepped on this knife. Like, how am I almost 22 years old and I'm literally the most irresponsible person ever? And now I'm going to wash the dishes. We're done with the dishes, thank Lord. And now I'm going to, I don't know, I don't want to do this anymore, I'm over it. Everything that doesn't belong in the kitchen I'm gonna put on the couch. So many things that don't belong in the kitchen are on the couch. I'm gonna clear the floor so we can sweep it. So I'm gonna sweepity sweep the floor, RN. Okay, still need to get stuff out of the way. Look at this.
Yeah, so she...
That's gross. It's like all my hair. No wonder I'm going bald. Okay, so it's 6:13 already. I think I've been at it for at least an hour. Getting a little tired, I'm not gonna lie. So I have a bunch of clothes behind me, like tons. Like I don't even know what this is, but I'm gonna put it in my room and I'm gonna continue to clean up the living room slash kitchen area. Honestly, it smells really good and I'm getting so excited because like I'm feeling really clean, I'm feeling good. So I'm gonna put all this in my room and we're gonna continue to wipe down the countertops, I'm gonna wipe down this with some Clorox wipes. And yes, okay, so let's do that right now. You get a drink of water. Oh my god. Oh my god, my oven was on like this whole time. I don't know how long it's been on. I'm kind of scared. Like, how long was that on? I'm scared. I need to go back to the footage and see how long that was on because my bill was kind of high this month. Wow guys, I honestly did a really freaking good job here. Look at this place. It's spotless, it's so clean, it smells great. Still need to do a little bit more organizing, but I gotta tell you guys, I did pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I'll show you guys right now. Folding my clothes, I hate. So we're gonna try to finish this really fast. So this is where it kind of goes downhill from here. So here I am explaining to you guys that I'm going to be putting up all my clothes on the bed and I'm going to be vacuuming and I'm going to put all my clothes away and it's going to be great. But honestly, can you blame me? Look at this stuff. I could not even fathom putting it away. So basically I set myself up for failure and yeah, that's me crying because I did cry a little. So yeah, I'm just like breathing and freaking out basically, and then I was like, you know, I'm just gonna vacuum, and I got a little tired so I took a spaghetti break and it was really good. Like, look at me, I'm enjoying that. And then this happened. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of took a little nap on my clothes. My body is disintegrating. My body does not want to do this anymore. Hi. And that's all, folks. That's it. I fell asleep on my clothes. I hope you learned from my tips. Okay, bye.